helmet for enduro, THOR dot 2.18. Really lightweight helmet. I wanna come closer to the camera. Yes, this is the right place. Air passes from these two sides. It is 1 kilo point 4. Air from these sides also. Here it is soft, you see, really soft. Beautiful color, the gray one. And here you can unscrew this and you can select where do you want it to be. It has here, you see, rings, and you can choose. I'm screwing it again to this position, let's say. This is how it closes with this system, safety system here. And this is how it looks from the inside. Really soft. I'm gonna try it on. Also with this helmet, if you're going for enduro, it would be nice to use this protection mask from THOR again. I'm gonna try on, let's take off my earrings. Helmet, motorcycles and earrings with pearls don't match. This is why I'm taking them out. Okay, I'm gonna come to the camera. This is how it looks when someone is wearing it. Okay. And let's try to wear the mask. I wanna try. I'm sure it offers, of course, yes, much better protection. I look good in this helmet, don't you think? I like myself in it. And this is how it goes with the mask. It's really lightweight, probably maybe because also the classic protection of I'm stuck. I don't remember the word in English. It's missing this. Maybe this is the reason, because this is missing. I don't think so. It's really lightweight. I don't know. I feel like feel really comfortable in here. Okay. I'm sorry. Better, eh? THOR dot, the helmet, I just showed you. Let's say again 1 kilo point 4. XL is the size. Please don't ride motorcycles without the use of helmet. Please don't do it. This was the video. Thank you very much for being here.